blue bottle for the ice, red bottle for the hot water, blue bottle for the cold water, and you have erase for your bathroom. You have a towel, shampoo, and air conditioner, and extra toothpaste, toothbrush, and also soap. If there anything else I can help you, ma'am, please don't hesitate to call me with speed dial 222.
Hello, Ms. Baldos. Can you come into my office right now?
Good evening. Thank you.
Ms. Baldos, can you call on the health department and inform them that we'll be having a night audit report?
Okay, ma'am. I don't want any support. Hello, good evening, Revenue Management Department. Can you please come over to room 117? We will having a meeting for the night audit department.
Okay, ma'am, I will prepare in a few minutes. I just need to finish my revenue report for today.
Alright, thank you. Hello, good evening, Food and Beverage Department. Can you please come over to room 117? We will having our meeting for night audit.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Okay, thank you. Good evening, Housekeeping Department. Can you please come over to room 117? We will having a meeting for the night audit.
Okay, I'll be there.
Okay, thank you. Good evening, Security Management. Can you please come over to room 117? We will having our meeting for the night audit.
Okay, ma'am. I'll be there for you.
Okay, thank you. Good evening, Maintenance Department. Can you please come over to room 117? We will having a meeting for night audit.
Okay, ma'am. I'm on the way.
Okay, thank you.
So, good evening, everyone. We will be having our night audit report now. So, let's start with the reception department.
room. We already clean the rooms before the guests arrive, and none of the rooms require cleaning up for today. For the vacant rooms, we will clean them if needed. Additionally, all the amenities are in their places, and there were no guests requested additional amenities. Erika, now let's hear from the Department of Food and Beverage Department. Good evening, ma'am. We still have enough food stocks for the next week, but after that, we will be out of stocks. So we managed to serve all the meals for the day, but we need to restock it for the next week. Okay, thank you, Ms. Leijiro. Please send me the copy of the items that you need. Here's the list, ma'am. I already need. Thank you so much, Ms. Leijiro. Next, the Department of Security Management.
Good evening, ma'am. Regarding the CCTV, all cameras in the hotel are in good condition. We did receive many incidents reports today. Then all fire safety equipment, including alarms, fire extinguisher, and exits are all in good condition.
And last is the Department of Maintenance Department. This is the
Good evening, ma'am. As of now, we haven't received any calls from room maintenance, so we assume that all appliances in the rooms are functioning properly. So that's all for today's department.
You take the description here, and I will move to the meeting now. Thank you for your work. Everyone, you may now go back to your departments. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Kayo na, Melvin, sunod. Sabihin mo. Ba't hindi ka dito?
Tapos naman ako eh.
Bakit hindi ka na naman ang i-comment na doon?